confidence blacksmiths have while working with red-hot metal up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. An incredibly complex diagonal herringbone pattern is child's play when a top-notch installer gets to work. This master chef is able to make 100 balls in just 1 minute. Check out this incredible teamwork as workers literally sew in a missing strip of grass in a yard. Incredible. You can rest assured that your haircut will be perfect when you go to this barber. I wouldn't go to him for a buzz cut though. Even a colossal task like painting a massive ship becomes achievable with good teamwork. Can someone explain to me why this is so cool?